Okay, so we have studied here the how animals are full body, how if we want to draw, how to draw. Okay, so maybe we can take some pose of like see this the standing, yeah, standing pose. So how to do the standing pose is very simple. Just making this. We'll go to the oval. Uh, First watch it. Okay, the torso here, the torso here, the pelvis. Okay, torso, pelvis, and here this what the neck over here, neck, torso, pelvis, and from this torso this leg is coming like this. I make this camel, and another leg is like this, another leg is like this, is going maybe like this. This is a long character. So this torso is a pelvis, and this character is looking this sides. Okay, so how are doing the sketching? So first making this pose. Okay, that much. Okay, so that much if you done, this is next step is so easy. So like see, we are just add the muscles. So I take the some different pencil color, then you can understand it. See, as I just add here, uh, this camel neck is so long, so you can add here the snake, and this, see, this is looking this different angle. This looking the back side, that side is looking. Okay, so that's why face is different side, but we are I understanding the muscles is there. See here, I make an oval. I make an oval. Always for the leg, we make first oval. One oval here, one oval here, another oval here, another oval here. When I draw the leg, first make the oval. Why it is oval? Because it is very easy. After the next steps, if you are making the oval, the next step is just add the cylinder line like this one, cylinder line 2. Okay, because legs upper part is so little bit of thicker. Okay, and the cylinder line 3 here. Just watch first, watch first, then draw. Okay, here this. Fine, I just making the cylinder line here and join this. Okay, so I just add the merge here. I just add this from this part. You can make it more little up, and then this part also make it little up. This here and here, this two part is little up, and then this part is actually down, and then the tail. So see how nicely, if you are step by step doing, how nicely coming the full characters, and also the different angle. The very important part, you learn it different angle, not a simple angle like okay side. Now starts.